For the dead bug, we're going to start on our back, and we're going to get our knees up into a 90-degree position, 90 degrees at the hips as well, so we're in this 90-90 position. Arms are going to be up. And now here, to make sure you're in the right position, your back should feel like it's pressing into the low back should feel like it's pressing into the ground. So if you're popped up like this, you want to make sure you get everything back down to the ground. Nice and flat spine in contact with the floor. From here, you're going to take opposite arm, opposite leg. So it's going to look like this. Oh, and flex your feet. So down and up. Down and up. And the breathing for this is going to go like this. You're going to inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Inhale, exhale. So I'll just do a couple so you can see. So what you want to look for, what you want to feel, is you want to make sure that as you're doing the exercise, you're not letting everything pop up off the ground. So now I have all this space, which is what I don't want. So I want to make sure it all comes back down. My ribs are down, my low back is down, and this is a very challenging exercise when you put everything together the way it should be. And make sure that the knees stay right at the hips. Whoops, see? Tricked myself. You want to make sure that they don't come past. So you don't want to see here. You don't want to see this. Come back here, right? Just here. Whoop. There we go. All right. When that is not challenging enough, and it should be for a while, but if it's not, you can then move the legs out, and that will be a lot more challenging. So what that will look like, again, I'm going to get everything nicely positioned, and I'm going to take the leg out long. So it's going to look like that. And come back. A lot more challenging. Yep. And the more you take it lower to the ground, the more challenging it becomes. And again, remembering to keep that back pressed to the ground, core engaged for the dead bug.